Hi everyone, welcome back. This is R3 and you're watching R3 Gamings. So today I'm gonna talk about an update which has come for the Streamlabs OBS. Since the update has been already rolled out, I'd like to discuss that in this video. Hope you're going to enjoy this video. Be tuned in. Hey guys, welcome back. And as we discussed that there is an update from the Streamlabs OBS for their OBS platform, and today we're going to know what kind of update is that and what all things they have changed in their OBS. So if you go back onto their blog and you see the post of July 30th where they released their first update with for the OBS. So here we come to know that two things which they have added is that if you are a new user and you are using the OBS for the first time, or you are an old user and we're using a different OBS, so this is the welcome page which you are going to see when you're going to install the OBS. So what they have done here is that they have integrated a feature which helps you to import all your settings from the old OBS to the new OBS, and here you can you can import all your settings, your scenes, your configuration from the old OBS to the new Streamlabs OBS platform. Now the good thing about this is that when you import all your settings, it saves your time, and as it mentioned here that it's going to take approximately 1 minute. In case you are a new user, you can just click on the fresh start where you can start from the scratch, and it's going to take approximately 10 minutes for you to set up with all the configuration and settings to go and use the Streamlabs OBS. So this was the first update which they rolled out in last couple of months, and after that they have rolled out another update which you can see over here. So on August 7th they posted this blog over here, and in which they said we are here with the part 2 to give a sneak peek of upcoming beta Streamlabs OBS redesign the team has been working on. So they are actually going to redesign the whole user interface of the OBS, and they are going to just make it a little more clutter free and few more optimization to make it more user friendly, and to redesign it in a way where you would be able to do things in a better fashion. So what they have done is that first they are trying to combine the editor tab and the live tab. So if you have been watching my videos, you must have seen that I've been using Streamlabs OBS almost since first video of my channel. And you know, if you are aware or you have been using Streamlabs OBS, you will find out that there are two different tabs. One of them is editor and the other one is live tab. So what used to happen is that if you are going to do something on an editor tab, that is going to reflect on a live tab. Most of the time when you are live, you are usually using editor tab more than using the live tab. So what happens is that streamers or the person who is using the OBS spend more of the time on editor tab, and that's make him give a sense that he is in a better control of his content and of his stream. And usually it used to happen that when you used to switch between both the tabs, it used to be a time consuming process, and it was kind of a messy that you have to actually shuffle between two different tabs to see what actually is going on. So now what they are going to do is that they are going to combine this editor and live tab into one. And so the person using the OBS can now naturally be more aware of what's going on. in the OBS and how it's going to reflect on the live stream. So what they have done is that they are going to change the UI for editor and live tab, and they're going to make it something like that. Though I do not have this setup on my present Streamlab OBS, I'm not sure when they are going to release the this update in coming future, because there is no timeline which has been announced by the Streamlabs, and I believe it's kind of an ongoing process. They must be testing it right now, and once they finalize it, they are going to roll this out over a period of time. So right now we can see that what they have done is that they have combined both the tabs into one, and what they have done is that the scenes are on the left hand side and your sources comes in the middle, and then your mixers on the right. And what they have done that they have put the chat tab on the extreme right. So now it's give you an edge over the previous version, that whatever you do on your editor tab, you can just do it over here in this area. And you want to select a different scene, or you want to add an event list over here, or you want to add any kind of source, maybe a frame or a background or an image or a welcome text, you can just do it over here, and it's automatically going to reflect on your live stream, and you don't have to really shuffle between both the tabs. And the ability of being so fluid in this area gives the streamer an edge to be more effective in their streaming, and it also is kind of a time saving thing. So this is one update which they're going to roll out, and I think it's a good one. So I am really happy for this one. And if we move forward, what you are going to see is that they have given a layout of how this is going to look like. So this area will be the preview area where you can just do things, and then this would be the area for recent event, and then your scenes would come on the left, your sources would come in the middle, and your mixes would come on the right hand side. And on the extreme right hand side, you're going to find the chat area. So this update has still to come, and we don't really know when it's going to be out. Apart from that, what they have done is that they have changed the way our navigation bar used to look like. Earlier, if you have seen the Streamlab OBS, all these settings, all the themes, App Store, CloudBot, dashboard, everything used to be on the top in a horizontal manner like this. What they have done is now they have minimized this into icons, and they have put it on the extreme left side of the screen with their icons only. So this is how it now look like. So you got your all the tabs on the left hand side, including settings and everything, and this is your preview area. Your recent events would come over here, and then again you can see the scenes, sources, and the mixers are over here, and here comes your live chat. So what they have done is that they have minimized or minimalized the way they were using the icons earlier. And to know which icon represents what you have to do is you just have to click. You don't actually have to click, you just have to hover your mouse over the icon, and it would tell you what that icon stands for. So I'm going to show you that just in a few minutes, a couple of minutes, and moving forward, you would know that this thing has a really nice impact on the working, or the usability of the OBS for the streamer. One thing which they have removed from this is the dashboard. The dashboard, which was accessible earlier from the user interface of the OBS, has now gone. You can see the dashboard was right here on the extreme left top side. Now it's not, you can't see anywhere over here, though all the other icons majorly are here only, but the dashboard has gone. So now what you have to do is that you have to actually go to the browser and you have to log into your Streamlabs account, and from there you have to manage your dashboard, which is a little bit of a extra work you have to do. But I guess they did it because this was something which was like, people were not using it much. But I think it would have been better if they would have somehow managed it to keep it still with the recent update. You really don't want to go out of a app or a software to just access all of your information. So it would have been a nice thing to include that in the new design. So anyways, I'm going to tell you how this all these updates are actually going to look into the real OBS, which I'm going to just show you now. So here is my Streamlabs OBS version 0.17.1. So I'm not really sure what version you guys are using, but I believe this is the most updated version. And as I mentioned earlier, it still do not have the live and the editor tab going into one. So as you can see, we got a studio tab over here, then we got a live tab over here, and then we got our themes over here, then we got our cloud and the app store. So basically what they have done is that they have put them stacking one upon one and try to minimize the area they were actually consuming earlier. So now any app you buy or you use from the store is going to be shown just like this below the app store. And as it used to work earlier, still used to work like this. You can just click on the themes and it's going to take you to the theme section. So I believe this is a very nice thing which they have done. The only problem where I see is that once you go to the bottom of the left hand side bottom, and you'll see the stats of your OBS which used to be shown earlier um, as a static is now has gone um, you know unstatic, or you can say it's only visible when you hover your mouse over the stats. So I think this is one thing which they should have kept as it is, because it's always nice to know how your OBS is performing, how your system is performing. Your cloud's still there, your notification is still there, your settings is still there, help, login, log out, and your studio mode is still there. So if you see, basically everything is as it used to be earlier, but the only thing is that they have now minimized everything, and they're trying to increase the visibility or the workable area of the OBS. So I think which is a very nice move and a good one, because it gives a lot of space for the streamers to actually work upon. And I, being myself a streamer and a streamer, and I also use this OBS for recording. So I think this is a nice update which they have done. I'm not sure when and how the new updates are going to come, but whatever they do, I think they are really listening to the people who are using their platform, and I think they are just picking up the best suggestions from there and trying to use it over here in the real scenario. So this is something which is really nice, and I hope the updates in the future are going to be more exciting. And I hope you guys also like this video. If there is any kind of suggestion, or you would like to know anything regarding to the OBS Streamlabs, or you want to have something to comment, please go into the comment section and put it over there. I'm going to definitely try to answer all of your comments, and I hope you like this video. So if you do, please like the video, go to the channel, click the subscribe button, and don't forget click the notification button so you don't miss out the other videos which are going to come in the future. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, and have a good life.